A great childhood favorite we're gonna make, but we're gonna make it dairy-free, is s'mores cocoa. We're gonna use the Silk Original Almond Milk. Basically, you're just mixing everything in a pot, but the order actually matters. You get a little bit of water, and you get the cocoa powder, sugar, and the dark chocolate chips. Don't use milk chocolate. Milk chocolate actually has dairy in it. Dark chocolate is just cocoa and a little bit of sugar. Mix all that together in the pot, and you wanna, on medium heat, medium high, not too high, let that all melt together. Once all of that is melted, then you pour in your Silk almond milk. If you love vanilla, you can do the Silk vanilla almond milk. I just did the original, and if you don't really like it as sweet, you can do the unsweetened almond milk too. Bring that up to a simmer. So after you ladle it, you can put a bunch of different toppings on it. I love s'mores, you know, it's a childhood favorite, so I added a copious amount of mini marshmallows, and then took a creme brulee torch. I torched it until it was that gooey, like campfire, slightly set on fire, had to blow it out. Quick square of the cinnamon graham cracker and some chocolate just dipped in. And if you let the chocolate melt in, it becomes even chocolatier. First sip just made me want some more, just saying.